Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start designing graphics with Canva, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Canva website. If you don't have an account yet, click on the sign up button in the top right corner. You can register using your email, Google account, or Facebook account. If you already have an account, click on log in and enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, you will be greeted by the Canva dashboard. At the top of the dashboard, you'll see a search bar. Type in what type of graphic you want to create, such as Instagram post or presentation. Select a template from the options that appear. This will open up the design workspace. On the left, you'll see various tabs for templates, elements, text, and more. Start by browsing through the templates to find one that suits your needs. Once you find a template you like, click on it to open it in the workspace. Now, it's time to customize your design. Click on any text box to edit the text. Simply type your own words to replace the template's text. You can change the font by highlighting the text and selecting a new font from the toolbar. Adjust the font size, color, and alignment using the options in the toolbar. Next, add images by clicking on the Elements tab on the left. Here, you can search for stock photos, illustrations, or shapes. Drag and drop images into your design from the Elements section. You can resize or reposition images by clicking and dragging the corners. If you want to add a background, go to the Background tab. Choose a solid color, gradient, or pattern for your background. To further personalize your design, explore the Uploads tab. Here, you can upload your own images and incorporate them into your graphic. Once you're happy with your design, it's time to save it. Click on the Download button in the top right corner. Select the file type, such as PNG or JPEG, depending on your needs. Then, click the Download button again to save the file to your device. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.